Hello, I'm going to show you how easy it is to change and add text in my blog and also how to add a photograph. First thing I'm going to do is log into my dashboard. Here are some blogs that I've been working on. For this activity, I'm going to create a new blog. I'm going to scroll down to find a template that's already been created. This one, I'm going to choose the one called My Artwork. Double click in the text box and you select the cursor. I'm going to change the font to a smaller size. And that's all you do. That would be very simple for even emerging technology users. I'm also going to add a photograph. If you select this tool, it will bring up pictures that have already been used on your dashboard, or you may drag and drop things from your desktop. For this demonstration, I'm just going to click on one of the pictures already on my dashboard, and there you go.